Hey everyone, welcome to today's video of how to deactivate a user in the Geokey portal. So first and foremost, to deactivate a user, we're going to want to log into the portal, which is portal.geokeyaccess.com. You go ahead and log in and it brings you to this dashboard page. As you can see, I'm using the Geokey portal demo test. All names, numbers, and emails are fake for training purposes. But now back to how to deactivate a user in the portal. So the first thing we're going to do once you log in is go to this left side where it says manage account, and we're going to go ahead and click on that, and it's going to bring a variety of drop-down features, but the one we actually want to click is the users section. So you click on that, it's going to pull up a number of users. Again, these are fake for training purposes, but you're going to notice people here are active and verified. To make them inactive, we are going to simply click on a name. We'll pick Emmett Harvey. It's going to pull up their user profile, going to reveal their personal information like email, phone number, etc. And down here towards the bottom, it has this deactivate user. We're going to go ahead and click this, and it's going to pop up a confirmation that says, please confirm. Are you sure you want to deactivate this user? We are going to click yes, because maybe this is a resident that is moving out or a former employee now that has quit. But you go ahead and click deactivate user. Now you can see Emmett is now inactive, which means it makes their mobile credentials not being able to use. Thanks for joining today. Let us know and reach out if you have any questions. Thank you.